Great rising, great rising. I'm Lord Lohot. Welcome. So, I'm super excited today. It is officially launching my Master Your Choice workshop. I'm here in the health department. I think we're about like 10 minutes away from starting. And I just wanted to show you guys the setup. That's where the camera's going to be, but I'm using it right now. And I also made goodies. So I made a little spice cake, and that's lemon in the back. And we have our little agua. So I'm super excited for this workshop because it's all about dream building. It's about getting people unstuck, getting rid of those mindless souls that just walks around not doing anything with their time. No, it's time to wake up. It is time to live the highest self-expression of yourself. Okay, and that is what Master Your Choice is all about. I'm super excited. Stay tuned for any posts that I'm going to post. And I look really good today, okay? Do I look amazing? So I'm happy for everyone that's coming out, that's here to support me as well as support their dreams, because you are the deciding factor in all that you do. Life is choice driven. You have to go out there and get it done. No one else is going to push you to get it done. You yourself have to get it done. And we're going to get it done today. So thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Oh, almost forgot. Never forget Lord's Law, living, loving, laughing, libations, and I'll see you soon.